What I'm going to do first is I'm going to put a wall right round the outside of the maze. So I need to change it from saying food to saying wall. And now when I click here, each time I click, the wall appears. If I hold the mouse button down, nope, I can't. I actually thought I could draw with the mouse button. Now I'm going to have to go around and click those in there. So I want all the way around the outside, and this is to make a wall to stop the hero being able to escape out of the game. So we're going to start our maze by just putting a wall in round the outside. Now what I want the hero to be able to do is I want the hero to be able to move inside the game. And what I need to do is decide which buttons on the keyboard I want to use to control how the hero moves. Well, I'm going to keep it simple in the maze game. I'm going to say the hero can either move up and down, or the hero can move left and right. And the buttons I'm going to use are the up and down buttons, the up and down arrows, which you'll find between the number pad and the main keys towards the bottom of the keyboard. So obviously I'm going to use the up arrow to make the hero go up, and the down arrow to make the hero go down, and then I'm going to use the left button to make him go left and the right button to make him go right. So just finish my wall off, put the last few squares in down here, and then we need to click onto the hero object. Okay, so I'm actually going to remove my hero and I'm going to put him back. I'm actually going to remove that wall block as well. I'm going to put my hero back. I'm going to put him near the middle of the room. So I'm going to the button here and it comes up. Now this is programming, so we're actually going to use write a little program and use this to control the way the hero moves. And we have two parts in it. We have an event. This is something that you do or happens inside the game. The actions are what we want to happen when the event happens. So let's start with the simplest one of all, which is we want to have an event, and the event is that you press down, you press the right key. So this is the right arrow button. And we need to here say what we'd like to happen when that right button is pressed. And what we'd like to happen is we'd like the hero to move. We'd like him to move to the right, and the speed can run between 0 and 9. So we're going to go for sort of a middle speed of 5. So I've said this is on my hero object. This is where I control what the hero does, so not the picture. I've said that when I press the right button, the right arrow, I want this hero to start moving at speed 5 to the right. So I click OK, and now I need to run the game. Okay, so to actually see how the game works, I now need to run it. To run the game, I need to click on this little green arrow up here. So I'm going to click on that. It'll have a think about it for a second, and then the game will come up. So if I now, obviously you can't see on here, but I'm now about to click the right arrow on the keyboard, and there goes my hero moving off to the right and straight out of the maze. So there's some things I need to do here, but now I can control or begin to control the hero. I can make the hero move to the right by clicking on the right mouse, clicking on the right keyboard arrow.